Guys, I'm here with my property inspector. Over to you.
My name is Marisha Robus. I'm the owner of Gauteng Property Inspections. I do property inspections for investors before they buy the property so that they can use my report to negotiate a better price, number one, and number two, so that they know exactly what the defects are and what maintenance is required. I've been doing property inspections for more than 10 years, but I have been in the building industry for more than 12 years. I'm also an ITC, which is the Institute for Timber Construction, certified roof inspector, and there's an association called NABISA, National Association of Building Inspectors, and I am a master property inspector. I'm the only female property inspector and only female roof inspector in the country, and I absolutely love my job.
So Marisha is someone that I'll bring onto every deal going forward because her reports are invaluable. What I can say is I wouldn't bring Marisha in until I've at least negotiated the price with the seller. So in the OTP, one of my subject conditions would be to have an inspector come and have a look at the property. You don't want to bring the inspector in, with all due respect, until you've at least secured the discounted offer, because she does charge a fee for coming to do the inspection. You don't want to go through all of that effort and make the payment until you know that there's at least some level of motivation. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through Elof Court, which Marisha did do an inspection on before we bought it. And she's just going to take us through a quick tutorial as to how she would go about looking and what she looks for as in particular when she looks at these buildings.
Lawrence, first of all, when you look at a property, you have to look at the fence, at the boundary, what is happening. In this case, we have a palisade fence, and you can see that the paint has started to peel and the palisade fence has started to rust. And you need to know that in the next 3 to 5 years, you must put this on your maintenance list. It is cheaper to do maintenance than it is to replace something. So rather strip the paint, treat it with a rust-proof agent, and then paint it again, rather than having to replace this entire fence.
I hope you enjoyed this short interview. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you want to see the full extended interview with this Power Team member, please join my membership program. In my membership program on YouTube, you get access to exclusive content, discount on merchandise, and you can send me live deals that you're looking at and I will analyze them on my channel.